Are you a guitarist and you are still struggling to solo on the guitar? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to help you. I know what it feels like to just identify a chord progression, but you don't know anything to do on that chord progression. In this particular video, I'll show you a hidden secret that will instantly make you level up your soloing and you sound like a pro. The first day I discovered this trick, it changed my approach to soloing instantly, and I guess it's going to help you. So all I want you to do is to watch this video till the end. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to do this in the key of D. So this is what I want you to do. For you to be able to follow along, I'll require you to know your major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. On the key of D is simply... Yes, that's the first thing. The second thing now is to understand or know the chord progression. So I'm going to play you the chord progression and it goes like this. D, A, B minor, G major. Let me go again. D major, A major, B minor, and G major. Now, this is where I'm going to show you what you are going to do. If you remember your triads clearly, your triads means your chord made up of 3 notes, right? Now, your D major is made up of 3 notes. Your da 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 da, and then we have your A major is also made up of da da da. Your B minor, la do mi. Your G major is fa la do. So all together is 1 3 5 1 3 5 da da da. So here is what I want you to do. When each of the chord progressions are playing, right? The first approach to use is to practice it with just this method I'm showing you. Just 1 3 5 1 da 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 da. I want you to do this over and over again until it becomes a part of your subconscious. Doing this will make you to get used to the sound. Now, when you get used to the sound, the second thing is where the major spice is. So what we're going to do is to play it with the chord progression. So this is what the chord progression sounds like. Then, alright. So I'm going to play it with the arpeggio. So it's the keep doing it. Right? When you do that and you're comfortable with it, I want you to change the pattern to something like da 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 da. When you do this constantly, repeatedly, it becomes a part of your subconscious. Your mind is in sync with the music. Stay with me because this is where it gets hot and interesting. So, after you have done this, the next level I want you to go to is to play this triad incomplete now. So, instead of starting with your 1, I want you to play just, it's 1 3 5. I want you to just play 3 5 for each of the chords. 3 5, then 3 5, 3 5. So if we do that, here is what it's gonna sound like. Did you hear that? Can you hear that? Did you hear that? So it's interesting, right? So instead of it sounding like an exercise, da 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 da, we're doing da 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 da. Sounds interesting, right? Da da. Now let's take it further to another level. I believe you're enjoying this video. But before we continue, I want to let you know that I have an intermediate guitar course where I've explained these things like your triad shapes, how to solo and everything. So if soloing is the only thing you want to learn, you can reach out to me to purchase only that module, only that topic. But if you want to purchase the whole pack, it has 22 videos and it teaches your scales in different positions, your major scales, your pentatonic scales, and how to solo with them. So ensure you reach out to me if that's what you're interested in. All right, now let's continue this video and take it to another level. So in this level, all I want you to do, for the first chord that plays, I want you to play only one note. Then for the other chord, I want you to play 2 notes. Now this is what I mean. So one note, then 2 notes. 1 note for the first chord, then 2 notes for the other one. Then 2 notes. Did you hear that? Yes, so what I did was, for the first chord I was playing only 1 note. Da, da. Then when you went to the other chord, I played 2 notes. So instead of da da da, I'm doing da da, 2 notes. So it's like 1 note, 2 notes, 1 note, 2 notes. That's how I'm going to play it, that progression, that order. So it's going to sound like this. 1 note, 2 notes. Does that make sense? Yeah, I believe that makes sense. So alright, we're going to try that with the chord progression now. Again. Right? Now we can do the other way around. We can start with 2 notes. Da, da. So we're going to leave like timing, right? Da, da, da. So 2 notes, then one note, then 2 notes. 2 notes, 1 note. So we can interchange it to 2 notes, 1 note, 2 notes, and 1 note. So it's going to sound like this. So for our D, we can do da, da, da. Then 1 note when we go to da, then da, da, da. So da, 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 then da, da, da. Alright, so we're going to try with the chord progression now, and it's going to sound something like this. The other. Yeah. Simple. So what you can do now is to combine all of these tips that I've shown you. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, ensure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to purchase my course if you want to learn how to solo play your pentatonic scales in different positions or major scales in different positions, and you want to join my community. Purchase my intermediate guitar course now. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'm going to see you in the next video.